I love this project. It was so fun. And my original idea was to stuff all the hearts full of foam, which I did. And I sewed it all to the sweatshirt and discovered it was too puffy. So I took them out and I only left foam in the kangaroo pocket and one other smaller heart. And this part is optional, but I would definitely put a backing on just because it looks nice from the inside. It's not necessary, even if it didn't have foam on it. I think it looks nice. So what I did was pin all of the hearts in the placement that I wanted, and I turned the shirt to the wrong side, traced out where those hearts would sit, and then flipped it back over and took those hearts off one at a time and pinned them to the back. You want the front of the heart, the right side to the wrong side of your material, because when you flip it over to the right side, you cut the right side piece away, revealing the heart that's there. So this is me just pinning and making sure that I get the placement right. Everything is opposite when you get them to the back. So you just, for me, it just was a little mind scrambling. So I did it like this. And here I am sewing it on. These still have the foam in them. So it's the same process though without the foam. And then you turn it to the right side and you want to clip out the fabric that's there and leave yourself a little bit of margin around the stitch line. This makes it look cool, and it also maintains a little bit of the integrity of the stitching. So look how cute these look with foam. I wish it was cuter or it felt better when you put it on. I might do this for something else, but I think foam in the hoodie part would be cute. But this is just the kangaroo pocket, which I did end up leaving. Look how puffy they are. I love them. They're so freaking cute. You just take your time here and cut away the material to reveal what is behind there. And of course, you can put whatever you want. You can do whatever shape you want. I love the hearts. They just make me feel really happy. And then this is the full hoodie without the foam in the hearts, with except for the kangaroo pocket. And this is 7 on the front, 5 on the back, 2 on each sleeve, and 2 on the hood. So, and that's it for this project kit. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.